Good morning, students. This is our session 7 of chapter 2 Polynomials. In the last session, we have seen some algebraic identities and some examples based on first four identities. Now, in this session, we have to see the next four identities again and the sums based on that. Right? Okay. So, let us take the review of identities 5th to 8th. Fifth identity, that is x plus y plus z square, that is equal to square of the first term plus square of the second term plus square of the third term plus 2 into product of first two terms, that is 2xy, plus 2 into product of last two terms, that is 2yz, plus 2 into product of second, third and first, that is 2zx. Right? Okay. Sixth identity, x plus y whole cube, that is given as x cube plus 3 into x square y plus 3 into xy square plus y cube, or it can be written as x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Similarly, the seventh identity, x minus y whole cube, that is equal to x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube, or we can write x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Right? And eighth identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to, in the first bracket, x plus y plus z, and in the second bracket, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Right? So these are the next four identities. Now we have to see sums based on these identity. Right? That is, how can we evaluate the questions with the help of these identity. Okay. Just check example number 19. 3a plus 4b plus 5c square. We have to expand it. So what we will do, by using the identity, fifth identity, that is x plus y plus z whole square, that is x square plus y square plus z square. So first we will write these terms in the same way, 3a square plus 4b square plus 5c square, plus, now the next three terms of that identity, 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Right? So that will become 2 into 3a into 4b plus 2 into 4b into 5c plus 2 into 5c into 3a. You can also write the identity here, that is x plus y plus z whole square, that is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Right? So first, if you can write this identity, then you can it is also easy for you to put the steps. Okay. Now expand these terms, whatever you have written in the last step, that is 3a square, square of 3, that is 9, and square of a, that is a square. So first term is 9a square. Similarly, 16b square, 25c square plus 2 3s are 6, 4s are 24ab plus 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40bc plus 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30ca. So this is the expansion of the given question, that is 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square. Right? Okay. Now take the example number 20. 4a minus 2b minus 3c square. Right? Okay. Let us use the identity same again. Square of the first term, that is 4a square, plus square of the second term, that is minus 2b square, plus square of the third term, that is minus 3c square, plus 2 into multiplication of first term and second term. You have to note this thing, that you have to take the term with their sign. That is, if minus is there, then you have to take minus 2b, right? Plus 2 into minus 2b into minus 3c, plus 2 into minus 3c into 4a, right? Okay. Now we have to evaluate them. 4a square, that is 16a square, plus minus 2b square, this minus sign vanishes due to even power, so it is 4b square. Similarly, 9c square, plus minus minus 2 4s are 8 2s are 16ab, minus minus plus 2 2s are 4 3s are 12bc, minus 2 3s are 6 6 4s are 24ca. Right? So you have to expand in this way. Okay. Next question. Now here the factorize is there. So factorize is the reverse process of expand or expansion. Question is 4x square plus x square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx. Right? Here you have to notate first which two terms are negative. It is very important one, right? You have to check in the question that which two terms are negative one. Okay, here first and second terms are negative, and when first and second terms are negative, then you can check which variable is common here. So variable y is common, right? Variable y is common. So what you have to do, you have to take that variable with negative sign. You have to take this variable with negative sign. Okay, let us start. This is 2x square. You have to check first these three terms. These three terms are perfect square, so you have to take the roots of them. Okay, so this is square of 2x plus square of minus y. I have earlier told you that you have to take minus y in place of y here. Okay, so this is square of minus y plus square of z plus 2 into multiplication of 2x into minus y. 2x into minus y. It is written by mistake. Okay, so this is 2 into multiplication of 2x and minus y. Wherever you are writing y, that you have to write minus y in place of that, plus 2 into minus y into z plus 2 into z into 2x. And now by doing this, you have to check first term, second term and this third term here, whether you will obtain these terms here or not. So it is 2 2s are 4, 4xy plus minus minus 4xy, it is here. Okay, similarly plus minus minus 2yz, that is appeared here, and plus 2 2s are 4zx or 4xz, which is written here. Okay, so when these terms you will obtain here, so you can write whole square of first term plus second term plus third term. So first term is 2x, second term is minus y, third term is z whole square. And now because we are factorizing this, so what you have to do, you have to split the same as twice. you have to write this in two different brackets, right? So this is said to be the factorization. Okay, example number 22, based on next identity, that is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the next identity, right? So this question is based on that. Okay, see the question. 3a plus 4b whole cube. Okay, that is equal to, according to the identity, cube of the first term plus cube of the second term plus 3 into first term into second term plus into a plus b, that is first term plus second term, first term plus second term, right? So see here also, cube of first term, that is first term is here 3a, so cube of 3a plus cube of 4b plus 3 into first term into second term into first term plus second term. First we have to write the terms in this way. Okay, now expand them. Cube of 3, that is 27, and cube of a, that is a cube. Okay, next cube of 4 is 64 and cube of b is b cube, right? Now 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 ab into 3a plus 4b. In the next step, 27a cube plus 64b cube plus 36 3s are 108, a into a, that is a square, b as it is, plus 36 4s are 144, a as it is, b into b, b square, right? So this is the expansion of the question. This is the expansion. Let us take one more example on the basis of next identity. 5p minus 3q whole cube. Here the identity which we are going to utilize, that is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, right? Here we are utilizing the identity a minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, so let us start. Cube of the first term, according to identity, cube of the first term, that is here first term is 5p, so cube of 5p minus cube of b, that is cube of the second term, that is 3q cube minus 3 into a into b, that is 5p into 3 into 5p minus 3q in the bracket. So we have utilized this identity, right? Now expand these terms. 5p cube, that is cube of 5 is 125 and cube of p is p cube, minus cube of 3 is 27 and cube of q is q cube, minus 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45 p cube into 5p minus 3q. Now first and second terms remains as it is. Now 45 pq into 5 pq. So 45 into 5, that is 225, p into p, that is p square, q remains as it is, minus minus plus 45 3s are 135, p as it is, q into q, that is q square, right? So this is the expansion of this type of questions. You have to learn the identity first and then you have to apply it to evaluate the given questions. That is either it is expansion or it is factorization. Okay? Okay. Now see the next question. Evaluate. Here also you don't get the value of this term directly, right? you have to use the identity here. See, 104 cube you have to find out. So first you have to write this as 100 plus 4 whole cube. Now you have to use the identity a plus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, right? Okay, so this identity we have to utilize here. So by using this identity, cube of first term plus cube of second term, first we have to check this. So cube of first term, that is 100 cube, plus cube of second term, that is 4 cube, plus 3ab, that is 3 into multiplication of first and second. So 3 into multiplication of first and second, that is 104, into first plus second, that is 100 plus 4, that is in the next bracket. Okay, now evaluate this. Cube of 100. Now how can you evaluate cube of 100 directly? So it is very easy one. See, first you have to write cube of 1. So cube of 1 is 1. If two zeros are here, then in the answer 2 zeros appeared 3 times. 2 zeros appeared 3 times. 0 0 0 0 0 0. Right? Right? Okay, so it will become 10 lakh. So cube of 100 is 10 lakh, plus cube of 4 is 64, plus 4 3s are 12, 12 1s are 1200, plus into 100 plus 4, that is 104. This 10 lakh remains as it is here, plus 64, plus now multiply 1200 with 104, so you will obtain 1,24,800, and now you have to finally add all of these terms. So what you will have? 11,24,864. So this is the value of this term by using identity. That is, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Right? Similarly, the second question also, that is 999, that is 999 cube you have to obtain. So which identity you will going to utilize? First you will write 999 as 1000 minus 1 whole cube. Now you can easily check which identity we are going to utilize. A minus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Right? This is the identity which we are going to utilize here. Okay, so see, first a cube minus b cube, that is cube of first term minus cube of second term. So we are writing cube of 1000 minus cube of 1, minus next step 3 into multiplication of first and second terms, right? So 3 into multiplication of 1000 and 1 into the bracket first term minus second term, 1000 minus 1. Right? Okay. Cube of 1000. How can we evaluate this? So cube of 1 is 1 and 3 zeros repeated 3 times here. 1 time, second time, third time. Right? So you have obtained the cube of this term. How can we read it? See. Yes, now you can read it. What it is? Yes. One, that is 1 in leading 9 zeros. How can you read this? Arab, that is 1 Arab, right? Okay, minus 1 minus 3000 into 1000 minus 1, that is 999, that is 1 Arab minus 1. Now multiply both these terms, that is you will obtain 29,97,000 Both of these sums are negative, so both of them are added. So 29 lakh 97,001, and when you will subtract it, you will obtain this digit, right? 99 crore 70 lakh 2,999, right? So this is the evaluation of the given terms, right? So in this way you have to utilize the identities. Okay, thank you.